Hey, Jessica here from Debru, and in today's video, let's go ahead and do an update. Let's combine day 2 and 3, I think. Let's just go ahead and knock that out because it's time to go ahead and try to scale this campaign. Let's go. Great, so I've logged into Propeller Ads, and I need to get you guys caught up on what's going on. So as you can see, as of today, on October 13th, we've been running and getting a little bit of traction. I think it's going to be transitioning into a new day in the targeting region that we are in, and we have gotten 2 conversions. So if we go into the dashboard and just take a look right now at, let's see, let's go to the beginning of the campaign. If I'm not mistaken, that's when I started it. Yeah, I think so. So if we go until today, all right, so things are going okay. So as you can see, I literally just hit the mark for the 3-day rule in order to be able to proceed with that. I'm close to the amount of clicks that I was estimated to receive. I think I was around, what, 600? I don't know. I have to check, actually. We'll check together. So I'd say in comparison to where I was getting a lot of activity, I can probably look at some zones I can exclude now. But I have not spent a lot. The spend has been pretty decent, a little slow, so it's time to ramp it up. And I need to probably change the flow around a little bit. But impressions, I would say, probably need to increase a little bit as well. So I wanted to try to do that through a CPM campaign, just to take a look in regard to the campaign that's performing the best. And whenever I did that, let's see if I can go back. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be scrolling up and down. So not getting any conversions with the creatives, but they are getting clicks a little bit, and I wanted to test another angle. So I'll go over all of that with you guys. And if we go back into this campaign, the same creative is still getting, so I tried to expand on the winner, and the same creative is the one getting the most activity still. So I don't know, I just can't shake it, which is fine. So I tried to push it in the other campaign and do different things and play around with it. So I'm going to show you kind of the logic that I went with it. But it's steady. It's not really revving up to a level that I want it to be in. So if I go into the report with you guys, and we'll just take a look at the 3 days really quick so we can just see how it's performed so far since I've started it. All right, so it looks like the official day would be the 11th. So 1, 2, 3. So 4, 2, and 4 are kind of where I'm at. And let's see if you can go down below. I'll zoom in later. So there's my profit, €4. I'm trying to get it to at least 50 to 100, and I'm going to focus on scaling that today and get this and keep this ROI at 30% or more. It's kind of where I want to be. So that's kind of going to be the focus on making sure that bidding is proper, refreshing creatives. Now it's time to go ahead and figure out how I can get more clicks, more volume, just the little things. And I think that the lander is good to go. I've taken a look at some different information as far as, let's see where my notes went. I gotta find them. But when I find my notes, I took a look at things like the carrier and the time of day. I'll go ahead and look at the zones for now. So let's figure out what's going on with those, because I'm not really spending a lot, so I don't have too much I can go off of, but we will give it a shot. It's not giving me what I want. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, where it's costing the most are pretty much because those are where the clicks are coming through. which is fine because I've been able to at least break even or keep it profitable. And then I suppose maybe these here, I want to optimize. I don't want to particularly blacklist them. That's kind of my next step. So if we take a look at what's not working, it's going to probably be coffee. Nobody cares about that. So I tried to be specific and call out the brand, and that most likely, um, I don't know how it didn't work with the lender, to be honest with you. I'm a little confused. So I guess a more mature audience, so thinking about emoji etiquette here, but staying native to the device that's being targeted, which is Android, because Propeller Ads doesn't have the ability to go for Android, iOS, is making sense. Now, as far as how I'm going to figure out what a different method would be in order to get additional clicks by increasing the volume is my next strategy. I'm probably going to have to rotate some offers, maybe some landers, but I need to get the leads. That's my main goal right now. Now, the campaign that I am doing, the CPM is spending pretty good because I'm not really getting any clicks, right? So it's not really costing that much. So I'd say per 8,000 impressions right now, I'm paying 5 cents, which is not doing much to anything at this point. Even if I get these clicks and even if they convert, if they don't convert, I'm not paying for them. I'm paying for the impressions. So that's kind of what I'm estimating here. So if we go into, let's see, this one creative is the one that's doing the best. And it's just generic and straight to the point. This one I disabled, and this one I wanted to test. So I'm going to switch it around, and I'm going to make it generic, straight to the point, but a different way. So I'm going to bring the girl because I am using cohesiveness by implementing some images from the landing page. And then let's just do that. And I need to, yeah, that's all I want. Let's just test her. Take out the coffee. I think that's my issue. I think I'm good on everything else. So estimated clicks, I'm super low. I was at what, 611, right? So we need to stick to where we're at, honestly. I think that's cool, and I'll just save it. All right, so I'll see if that makes an impact. So I've changed the creatives around. I'm going to come back after I play with the landers because I need to record that process and finish getting it set up. So as far as this one goes, let's just take a peek at the performance and see if I can try to do anything right now before I switch up the flow. So as far as, because it's not getting any conversions right now, right? So I'd say let's go ahead, claim, and let's just take out these emojis. The emojis are not working at all. They're so just learning the audience is kind of what I'm getting at. Taking out that, so I'm going to switch her around and do this instead because using the brand is not working. I think stumbling on the brand is what's happening, and it's increasing conversions a little bit. So what do I want to do? It needs to be surrounding a gift card. So I'm going to go try to find a new image really fast. All right, that works right there. Perfect. I'll take it. I literally will take that. Where am I? What part of the dungeon have I entered? I just take me back to the picture, please. I need this image. Hold on. Let me see what's down here. So that's a dope one. All right, I'm gonna try this. No, it's all grainy. It's ugly. Nah. She's nah, cause that's not working. This is, I need bows and flashy, winning. That's what I'm looking for. More so generic, like how Sephora has that one. Yeah. I'm gonna find it. All right, not here though. It's not working. Wasting too much time. Let me go back up and Starbucks coffee and not really getting what I want. This is kind of why I do this part before I record. See, I need this, but Starbucks, so I'm gonna have to save this and doctor one up real quick. Just because. All right, and let's see. I'm gonna give this a couple more scrolls till I give up. I'll take it. Okay, so now, oops. Where to go? There you go. Perfection. All right, something basic away from the brand. So now I'm ready to run this, see if it makes a difference, and I'm good to go. So that's my update now. I just need to focus on scaling it. So let's see. I'm gonna run it. I should be good. I haven't had any budget issues or running out of budget. It's been spending pretty good. So that takes care of that. I'll be setting up some new campaigns, showing you guys how to do some HTML landers so we can improve the speed properly. And that'll be our next step. So we'll dive into volume on the next one. I'm going to show you which zones I decided on adding onto the blacklist. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.